Hey guys, what's up? It's Scar85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Kena? We'll go with Kena. Bridge of Spirits, Deluxe Edition on the PlayStation 5. So I picked this up a couple of days ago. Everything I've heard about this game is really good. So yeah, really looking forward to playing it. It's quite a good story, so yeah, looking forward to playing it. So that was the front, there's the side, and there's the back. If you want to read that, you can. So the deluxe edition includes base game, unique Kena staff, goldenrod skin, digital soundtrack, unique celebration hats, and sticker sheet. So that's cool. Is one player, 10, is that 10 or 19? 19 gig minimum. And it's got some vibration function and trigger effects supported, so basically the haptic feedback will be pretty good then. So inside we get a code with bonus content that's already been redeemed. We also get some stickers, and we get the contents in 3 different languages, and we also get the PS5 disc. So yeah, that's it for my quick unboxing of Kena Bridge of Spirits on the PlayStation 5, the deluxe edition. So yeah, look out for another unboxing soon. Possibly of it'll be Dying Light on Xbox, but after that it'll probably be Uncharted on the PS5, the Legacy Collection. So yeah, I'll be getting that in a couple of weeks. So yeah, look out for that, and I will catch you soon, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers and bye bye.